In this next example, we have 3 over x plus 2 minus 2x over x plus 2 equals to 1 over 2. So right now, we have 3 fraction, meaning all parts are fraction, which is good. Next is to identify your LCD. So let me write LCD here. Now both of these fractions have x plus 2, which is good. And the last fraction, the one on the right, is just 2. So the 2 and x plus 2 are two different factors, meaning that when we're solving, we need to have all fraction with a denominator of 2 in it and x plus 2. So it should be in the form of 2 because of this denominator times x plus 2 because of these two denominator. So I formulate my LCD in this form, 2 times x plus 2. So that means for these two fractions, since they already have x plus 2, I just need that missing factor, which is a 2. So I'm going to multiply by 2 to this fraction numerator and denominator, and this fraction numerator and denominator. But I'm going to add my parenthesis on both numerator since I'm multiplying by the missing factor, and then in the denominator also. Now for the fraction at the very right, it has 2 in the denominator, so the missing factor is x plus 2. I'm going to multiply by x plus 2 in the denominator, therefore also in the numerator. So when I multiply, this is what I'm going to have. 2 times 3 over 2 times x plus 2 minus 2x times 2, which is, I'm going to put the 2 in front this time, 2 times x plus 2 equals 1 times x plus 2 over 2 times x plus 2. And let me put this in parentheses. Alright, now it's not necessary to rewrite it, but I'm writing this out so that you can visually see that all these fractions have 2's in it and x plus 2. So now they have the same denominator. So the moment they have same denominator within all fraction, then you see me just going to write the numerator. So here, 2 times 3 minus 2x times 2 equal 1 times x plus 2. Simple as that. And I'm going to just start solving like a regular equation. So in this part on the very left, it's 2 times 3. So that was going to be 6. Bring down my minus. Here, it's going to be 2x times 2, which is 4x, equal. I'm going to distribute my 1 to the x and x plus 2, sorry. So again, I'm going to distribute my 1 to the x and plus 2. So 1 times x is x. 1 times positive 2 is plus 2. After that, I'm going to distribute my minus to the 4x. So when I distribute the minus to the positive 4x, it's going to become negative 4x or minus 4x. I'm going to bring down everything else. After that, I'm going to start solving like a regular equation. So say I want to get all my x's on the left side. Okay, so I'm going to cancel out the x from the right by subtracting by x. And then I'm going to subtract x on the left side also. In addition, since I'm trying to get all my x's to the left, therefore I need to get all my numbers to the right. So I need to cancel out my 6 So I'm going to subtract 6 on the left, therefore I'm going to subtract 6 on the right. So when I do that, what I'm going to have on the left is that the 6 will cancel out, then it's going to be negative 4x minus x, which will be negative 5x, equal, on the right side, the x cancel out, and then I'm going to have positive 2 minus 6, which will be negative 4. Now from there, in order to solve for x, I'm going to divide both sides by the number in front of x, which is negative 5. So I'm going to have x equal negative 4 divided by negative 5. Since both parts are negative, it will become positive 4 over 5. And that's going to be a simple form because there's nothing common between 4 and 5. So this is your simplified answer, or simplified fraction. So this is our final answer, 4 over 5.